Now I'm continuing to go through this roof, and you can see there as I go up the side of the house, this is ducted air conditioning system they've got here. All of these bays are a little bit light. Just a minute. This is the downlights. They've put some kind of interesting shroud around those. Not sure what that's made out of. But I'll just crawl through here. Yeah, you can see all of those bays there would be lucky to be R1 in value, right? Most of them have got just a couple of little specks on them, even like that there. You can see there's hardly any insulation there at all. It's just, you know, just got a couple of little bits on top there. So, you know, that's probably, you know, maybe 50 mils there, but over here there's nothing. So, you know, that obviously isn't done properly. And the thing about it is, if you've got aircon and you set your aircon thermostat to 24 degrees on a hot day, and that, you probably don't even realise if your insulation's not working, because, you know, your aircon's on and it keeps it at a constant temperature. But your insulation, when it's installed like this, where there's all these gaps, you see there's the batten over there, you can see the batten sticking out. Whoever installed this job just didn't put anywhere near enough product in. So you see that there? The batten's actually in the insulation there. So the batten's only 20 mils high, and so that shows you how much insulation's actually in that bit. And if I keep walking through the roof, over in here it's the same. So you can see those joists there. You know, it should be about 5 millimeters from the tops of the joists to be at 100 millimeters here, because these joists are just over 100 millimeters. And there you go, that's better light. Okay, so nothing at all over in that corner there. Right. Hardly anything in those edges there. So overall, this job has probably got about 20% of the insulation that it's supposed to have, maybe 30%.